On the intraday sniper in meta, my brother plays standard work entries on a Kata 2 for 1.4R, plays the RLXD, regression line crossing the dragon, standard wrist box, enters a second position at the automatic 2R as it's breaking through the PSAR. That scratches shortly afterwards for another 2.4. So he's got about 3.9 into it here. Takes the dog for a walk. Good time. He gets the RLXD on a Kata 2 entry. Note the lower highs. He adds a second position at the 2R battle drill, another position at the 2R battle drill. Notice the power of the PSAR, the way we've configured it, and he comes out of here with another, let's see, 5.7, 6.9, so 10.8 for the day.